Hi parents and students. I'm going to walk you through how to sign the Studio Expectations Contract. So that can be found under modules in the course syllabus. Should be your first or second option. So the document is called Studio Expectations Contract. It's for parents and students to sign, and if you can, please sign it by September 25th. So you are going to click this blue Pages link, and it's going to open up the document. So then it will either be in the top right or bottom left, depending on if it's been opened before, but you are going to click the square with the up arrow. It's blue. Mine is at the bottom now because this is my second time opening it. And it's going to give you all these options to open this file up in. You're going to want to choose pages. It's the orange square with the pen tool. If you don't see that, you might have to click the three dots that say more. So I clicked pages and it's opening up. So I'm going to go over this with students in class next week, but parents, please read over this. It just gives the objectives of the class, what's expected, attendance, grading, things like that. There are 2 pages, and then on the 3rd page is where students and parents will sign. To sign this, you will click Edit in the top right corner, and you are going to get all these symbols that pop up. You are going to hit the orange plus sign, and you're going to go to the bottom and hit Draw. So it doesn't matter which tool you choose. You can just click on any one, it's fine. As long as there's a signature, it doesn't matter. So you're going to have your child sign and you sign, and then click Done. Once you're finished, you're going to click the circle with the 3 dots in the top right. And you are going to hit Share. You can also export it as a PDF. It doesn't matter to me, as long as I get it. And then you can go to email. You can put student's name, James Smith, Studio Expectations Contract, and you will send it to me. My email is lshelley@stringtheoryschools.org. If you don't remember this, it will be on the syllabus page as well, and just email that to me. Thank you very much.